my name is Fiorelis Diaz Medina, and I'm going to talk about English phonetic. English phonetics is a branch of linguistics that studies the sound of the English language and their pronunciation. Its main purpose is to analyze how there are sounds are produced by the speech organ and how they are perceived by listener. Phonetics focuses only on the actual sounds on the language is not on its spelling. This is especially important in English since many words are not pronunciated the way they are written. In summary, English phonetic help us understand how English sounds and it's essential for achieving correct pronunciation.
Hey, my name is Eridania Luna, and today I'm going to talk about articulatory phonetics. At how sound I produce in the human vocal tract. Main organ or in speech, carpal tubercle, teeth, and lungs. Each organ plays an important role in shaping a speech sound. That
Good evening. My name is Dalia Santos Suero, and I'm going to talk about some, for example, article phonetic. For example, number one, by Livior, the words pants, boy, man. Livio dentar, fish, one, and dentar and interdentar. Think this. And number four, I believe love and dog and top. Number five, pass I leave the word this, job, and share. And number six, by later, yes, yellow. The number seven, Belair, cat, go, and sings. Juvelar and for hero is not utilized in English. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Richard Pontian, and I'm going to talk about what is acoustic phonetics. So acoustic phonetics study the physical properties of a speech sound or sound wave. It analyzes how sound travels through the air from the speaker to the listener. May fracture, study frequency, amplitude, and duration. And also, arti- acoustic phonetics is study the physical properties of sound. It is the same auditory phonetics, but the difference between is the auditory only focus on the listener sound and phonetic to another way. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Liza Jesus, and I'm continuing talking about acoustics. In acoustics phonetics, the scientists use a specialized software to analyze the physical properties of sound wave. The key measurements include frequency. That means the number of cycle or vibrations per second. Pitch is high or low. The amplitude, the maximum displacement of air particles. That means the size of the wave. The duration, the length of time a sound lasts. An example, long vowels like E in sheep have a longer duration than short vowels like E in sheep.
Hello, my name is Maria del Carmen Polanco. I'm going to talk to auditory phonetics. It is the branch of phonetic that study how people hear, speak sounds, and how the brain understands it. It focuses on what happens from the moment a sound enters the ears until they recognize words, sentences, and meaning. This area explains why we can tell difference between similar sounds like B or P and speak with an accent or fast or in a noisy place. It is also looks at intonation, rhythm, and stress because this feature helps cut emotion or intention.
Okay, example. Auditory phonetic is how songs are produced. P use the lip. Second, acoustic sound wave and properties, tone and duration. And number three, auditory, how songs are perceived, hearing, and the difference between both.
For conclusion, there are three types of phonetic work together to explain spectrum sound, from production to precision. Understanding the hair, students improve pronunciation, listening skills, and our communication. Thank you for the lesson on the group number 3.